Here's how to block spam messages on WhatsApp. Now, open up the WhatsApp app. I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps on an Android. It works a little bit different. The main difference is how to get to your settings. So on the iPhone, you can see settings at the very bottom right. I can tap on that. But if you're on Android, it should be at the top left, those three dots, tap on those, and then get to settings. From here, we have three different ways to block those spam messages. The first way is let's prevent anyone from sending you a group spam message. To do that, we're going to tap on privacy here and then groups. And it says, who can add me to groups? Let's switch this from everybody, if it's set to everybody, to just my contacts. And now next thing that we will do is go back, and at the very bottom, you can see advanced and block unknown account messages. It says to protect your account and improve device performance, WhatsApp will block messages from unknown accounts. Now you've gone through these two steps, but there is a third and great option to prevent those random unknown messages. All we're going to do instead of being in the settings is we're going to tap on chats at the bottom right and then just go into a conversation. Let's say spam messages are coming from this account. All I need to do from here is tap on block that specific account. You can see block here and they won't be able to send me messages or call me anymore. And we've gone through the process of blocking all of those spam or unknown messages.